Once upon a time, there was a naughty child. And that child's name was Charlie. And Charlie was so naughty that one day, on Christmas Day, Santa came to his house. And instead of giving Charlie all the presents he wanted, Charlie had been so bad of a kid that anytime Charlie stepped on a crack, he would break his mother's back.
I don't want to break my mother's back.
And then go down the saying that ever since Charlie stepped on a crack and broke his mother's back and was mean to the babysitter who came by his house and didn't want to go to bed, and instead wanted to stay up and wake up the babysitter who was trying to have a nice night with his girlfriend he invited over, instead of going to sleep when they should be going to sleep. And if he does step in a crack, it won't be just his mother's back breaking, but every mother's back in the world. He'll start breaking everyone's. So it's up to that kid to never step on a crack again, because once the curse is there, it will be there forever. Forever!
Not my mother's back. I want my mother's back to break.
Why am I here again? And those who interrupt the babysitter will forever be punished. Why am I listening to this story? And will also have the same issue as that kid. Why are you talking about me now? Because you'll break everybody's back. Alright, man, I was just coming because you told me to come through, but okay, I'll just leave.
No, not my mother's back. I can't step out cry. I can't step out cry.
Nobody don't love me quite like you. Can't even deny it every time I try it. When I look in my eyes, you know I'm lying.